Hello everyone, and today I'm working on a 2016 Toyota Corolla, an early version to be precise. The customer comes in for an issue of this related sort. The brakes actually don't work as effective as it should, and we had to do a lot of tests, how to test the civil for issues of this related sort. Because ideally, the vehicle was not having any um, air pockets within the system. It was just that the brakes were not operating as you should. So the next thing was the master cylinder and the brake civil. So I have right in front of me the brake civil unit and the master cylinder. Some do call it brake booster. Okay, so locally it is called the brake booster, but the civil unit is what we call it. Okay, so this one supplies the brake fluid, then this one multiplies it and converts it to pressure. So the effort of the driver is converted to pressure by the master cylinder, and the civil unit just acts as an additional unit where you can actually um, move the plungers in here. Okay, there are also valves and plungers in this unit. Okay, so the civil unit allows you to do that. Now, this servo unit has an issue, and the issue was it is leaking. Okay, so you ideally you can't see it when when you stand in front of the vehicle or when you inspect the um, engine compartment. Okay, so you can see that it had traces of brake fluid underneath it. It's not just because I've taken off the nuts here, but that is how it's looking. Okay, so when I started dismantling the brake pipes, this is what happens. That is, it means that the fluids are actually leaking into the servo, but they are not obviously seen. It's just a minor leakage, so you actually don't see it anymore. Okay, so you see traces of it underneath it. So you see how black it is. It means the seals in here or the seals in the servo has totally worn out. So you can see that the brake fluid has changed color. Okay, so it means that we have a brake servo unit on the master cylinder unit. So one way of testing your brake servo is that when you go into your vehicle and you want to start it in the morning, just press the brake pedal like twice and hold it down. When you hold it down and it doesn't move, it means um, without starting the vehicle, the brake servo should behave that way, should be very hard. When you start the vehicle, rest your foot on the brake pedal. Now, when you start the vehicle and your foot is on the brake pedal and you have a healthy servo, your brake pedal will move in a bit slightly, not that harsh, but slightly and stop at a certain point. When it moves harsh, like down or down to the floor, it means that you have a bad servo. But with this Corolla, it was not like that, but it was actually having a brake fluid leakage. So it was affecting the diaphragm in here. So that is what we want you guys to know. When you have an ineffective brake, please make sure your mechanic do check these things for you before you go in for your brake pads. It's not solely always the brake pads. Sometimes these units tend to fail at any point in time. So with respect to temperature and aging, yes, you should expect that. Yeah, so thank you very much guys.